All right, here we go again. Little starting issue. Listen. It's not the starter. It's got a new starter. It's got it's got a new battery. I checked the fuses. I checked the relay. I replaced the starter relay. They checked the starter. I checked the starter fuses. All that crap. It's getting electricity, you know, from the battery, positive and ground. All that crap. But listen. You can hear it. Stupid beeping. So it's turning the key. All right, you can hear it. Nothing. But then sometimes it turns over, other times it doesn't. But once you kind of get it going, it turns over eventually, and it starts. Sometimes jumping the battery helps. I don't know what the hell's going on with this car right now. Turning the key, nothing's happening. Listen. Turn, nothing happens. Turn. It's like it mimics having either a bad battery or a bad starter. It's what it's mimicking. Our car started. That's a Nissan. This is a Toyota. It doesn't start. New alternator, new starter, new battery replaced under warranty because I thought that was bad. Well, obviously it made no difference. Everything's all tight. Connections are all good. Yeah, Nissan starts right up. I'm stuck here. I'm here with a Toyota. It doesn't start. Great. Ridiculous. I can't do food deliveries with a car that's not going to start. So f***ing frustrating. Batteries at 12.8 volts. Another Nissan starts right up. Great. Now, I'm in a Toyota and nothing's happening here. Great, huh? Up to positive to positive. Come on, damn it. Lights are on. The lights come on. The inside lights are on. You can see that. Hang on. Inside lights are on. Just fine. The dashboard lights. She wants to start. Come on, damn it. Most of the time it works just fine. This money I'm losing because of this car. The cars that start right up. GM, Nissan starts right up. This is a Toyota. Yeah. I'm dead in the water here. It's great. Come on, you piece of shit. I'm going to attempt to reset it by, I don't know, taking out the battery terminal and putting it back on. Everything looks fine in this wire. you know? It's not like, it's not corroded, it's connected to the bottom. All right, reconnect it. Come on. I'm really getting sick of this car. I really am. The transmission blowing up, and then this. I gotta have a car that works, man. She wants to start. Come on, baby. Yeah. I don't know what the F is wrong with this car. I'm taking it home and that's it. Yeah. $89,717 miles. Okay, I'm home. Let's see if this pile of crap wants to start again. It's off. Okay. Listen. Oh, it starts right up. Great, huh? Wonderful. That's my dash cam. And I don't know what the hell's wrong with this car. I don't know. Works great, drives great, but the intermittent starting problem, man, that's killing me. I can't do deliveries with an unreliable car, you know? I can't do food deliveries with an unreliable car. Listen. Yeah, it starts right up like nothing. Leave in the comments what it might be, because I don't know anymore. All right. Thanks. Yeah, starts right up. Great. Now that I'm home.